Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to install Palo Alto Firewall inside EVE-NG. So all we need to do is start with console or SSH through your EVE-NG, the root user. Then you need to do is create a folder. So I'm there, opt unit lab addons QEMU, and here you need to do the Palo Alto. So it should be like start with Palo Alto dash, then the version number, whatever it is. So in my case will be 11 1.6. So should call 11.1.6. Once you do this, you can cd into it. And here you need to copy the image inside that folder. So you need KVM image, or like QSO2. You can download it from official website or whatever you find on the internet. If you use Windows, you can use WinSCP, for example, to upload the image. So it should go to the exactly same path, like here, the way you create it. Option, unit lab, then add-ons, and here you can see I have different images, and this is the one that we just created, 11.1.6. Here's my image, just add it there. So I'll be back once the image is uploaded. Okay, I'm back. So the image has been uploaded. So if you go back to the terminal, the ls, you can see the image is there. Now you need to do mv and then change the name of the image, which should be called virtual. Okay, once this is done, the last step is fix the permissions. Okay, job done. So this is the whole, all the steps to do it. Now let's go back to if in my GUI. Let's see if the image is here. You can see now I have this 11.16, the latest one. Just for testing. Telnet network. Doesn't really matter. Should be the cloud. Anyway, management. You can start it. Okay, it took around 2 minutes for this to load up. You can see I'm logged in now. Let me check the GUI as well. This should work. Yeah, it's all working. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. I hope enjoy your loving. Thank you.